In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template on Notion. Notion is a versatile tool loved by many for its ability to organize information and boost productivity. Whether you're managing projects, tracking personal goals, or simply keeping your notes tidy, creating a template can save you time and ensure consistency across various tasks. First, we need to navigate to the Notion workspace. Once you're logged in, think about what kind of template you'd like to create. It could range from a meeting agenda, a task list, or perhaps a project tracker. Having a clear idea of your template's purpose is essential before you start designing it. Let's say we're creating a template for a basic to-do list today. Start by creating a new page by clicking on the plus sign that appears next to the space at the bottom of your sidebar, or simply by typing "page" directly into an existing document. Once you've got your blank page, give it a name that reflects the purpose of your template. Naming your page is not just helpful for organization, but also makes it easier to search for in the future. Next, you'll want to add the essential blocks that will form the structure of your template. For a to-do list, you'll likely want to add a checklist. Type "to do" and choose the to-do list option from the menu to add this block. You can create a few sample tasks as placeholders, which you can later replace with your actual tasks as needed. Now, let's think about enhancing the utility of your template. This can include adding sections for notes, deadlines, or priorities. Simply add a new block by typing the / command again and selecting from Notion's vast list of block types. For instance, adding a text block can give you space for notes, while a date block can help you keep track of task deadlines. You might also want to include a header for different sections. Just type H1 to create a large header block. Once your page is set up the way you like, it's time to convert it into a template. Look at the top right corner of the page and click on the three-dot menu. From the drop-down list, select Template button. This lets you create a reusable button that will duplicate the content of your page whenever you need it. Customize the template button with a name that clearly reflects its function, such as Create To-Do List. Finally, take a moment to review your template. Make sure everything looks right and functions as expected. Remember, templates aren't set in stone. If you find elements that need tweaking or ideas for additional features, you can always edit your template later. And there you have it. You've just created a reusable template on Notion that can streamline your workflow and save you valuable time in the future. Make sure to explore these steps for different types of templates, tailored to your specific needs. Happy organizing!